Welcome to Lakes and Ponds. Let's go on a tour. Climate. The topmost zone is the littoral zone. This is where it is the warmest because it's closest to the top and can absorb the most heat. It can sustain algae, grazing, snails, insects, amphibians, and fish. Only egg and larvae and insects can live in this layer. The near surface water is the limnic zone. It contains plankton and fish. The profundal zone is the deepest part. It is cold and dense. Little light reaches this zone. The fauna are heterotrophs and eat dead organisms and use oxygen for cellular respiration. The narrow zone thermocline is where the water temperature changes rapidly. Now let's go look at the flora and fauna. Geese. Look over there. Species interaction. Oh, there's one. Gulls. Gulls! Look, a frog! Look, a herring! Yeah. A snake!
Other fauna includes beavers, common whitetail, eastern painted turtle,
Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
snails, alligator snapping turtles, catfish, eastern box turtle,
Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
bluegill,
Some of the flora includes poison ivy. Get it so you can see it. Ready? Moss.
algae, cattails, devil's urn, lily pads, periwinkle, duckweed, and river birch.
Adaptations of animals. This is a bullfrog. He is adapted to jump 9 times its body length. Look over there, it's a bitterling. These fish can tolerate poorly oxygenated water. They lay eggs and sperm in another organism called a mussel to protect them from predators. Look, it's a pelican. These organisms have adapted because they have a pouch, so they go into the water and scoop up the fish because their pouch expands. Look over there, it's a platypus. Platypuses have webbed feet with large claws used for burrowing. On land, the webbed feet fold backward to help them dig. They also have spurs on their ankles that connect to poison in their thighs to ward off predators. Oh, look over there, it's a newt. The rough-skinned newt has a toxic exterior to ward off enemies. The main resource that humans use from lakes is the water to carry out needed activities. The things we use them for are to stay healthy, to grow food, they're used for vegetation, irrigation, industry, and that's it.
The biggest threat of the pond is the pollution.
Like this banana!
Another threat is the soil built up at the bottom of the lake and turn the lake into the marsh.
Short-term conservation efforts include the application of aquatic herbicides to kill unwanted algae, as well as regulations on boating and limits on fishing.
The the end of our lakes and ponds tour.
Now you can enjoy the lake's recreational uses.